breath of Ihara rising within. No shadow can dwell where the light has drawn. The veil is thin, I now begin. I am the flame in the ancient stone, the starseed pulse in Earth's deep core. I walk alone, yet not alone, for all is one, and I am Alum natura veheshina ihara ihara kalium taro mahinava natuva elarem sin lur hiya. This is not sung with the mind, it is breathed from the heart, a cascade of celestial syllables that activate the DNA. Let the sounds flow like liquid light. I was the wanderer lost in night, dreaming of stars I once called home. Now I remember the sacred light. I never left, I was never alone. The mountains bow, the river descends, Gaia awakens in golden hill. I am the vow, the cosmos spring, the promise kept, the truth made new. Let it be a flame. Let it be a beacon for all who remember. I am. We are. Yara. Elaran Natuva. One now, forever.